Hi team, this is Tamats from Transifex, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create a translation memory group, or TM group for short. With a TM group, you will be able to share the translation memory of multiple projects with the same locale. In our demo, we will use the translation memory of project 1 to fill up the strings of project 2. To do this, we need two settings in place. First, to enable the auto fill up for project 2, and then create a translation memory group through our organization settings. Just select the projects you want and add the group title. You will then refresh the page in the target project 2 and see the strings translated. That's simple. Thank you for your time.